So, taking a look at the customer's unit. Booster motor is pulling, gas valve open. As you can see, the igniter is not lighting at all. So, I recommend replacing that igniter. Boost motor gas shooting out, but the igniter is not igniting, so I'm gonna recommend replacing that igniter. Also, I'm gonna take you in here just so you can see your conditioning evaporator coil. See if I can zoom in right there, so you can see how rusty that is there. So it's just a matter of time for that to start leaking refrigerant. Just gonna keep you updated with that. See all there in the corner. This same thing. Take a look inside your ductwork.